In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Ehlers Universal Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull up the indicator, add it to your charts, and get to its settings so you can start customizing it to your own trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. At the top of the chart, look for the Indicators button. This is usually near the time frame and alert icons. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open up the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where all the built-in indicators, community scripts, and your favorites are stored. Once that window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is the quickest way to find what you need, especially if you already know the name of the indicator. Click into that search bar so your cursor is active and then type in Ehlers Universal Oscillator. Make sure you spell it correctly because TradingView will only show you results that match what you type. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the list below. You should see Ehlers Universal Oscillator appear in the results, usually under the Indicators section. When you see it, simply click on the name of the indicator. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart, and you'll notice a new panel appear, usually below your price chart, showing the oscillator's line and levels. Once the indicator is on your chart, the next important step is to access its settings. On the left side of the oscillator's title, or sometimes on hover, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear icon is your settings button. Click on it to open the settings menu for the Ehlers Universal Oscillator. Here you can adjust inputs like lengths or smoothing options, as well as change colors, line thickness, and visual style to make it easier to read according to your preferences. Take a moment to explore these settings and tweak them so the indicator is clear and fits your overall chart layout. When you're happy with how it looks and behaves, you can save your chart layout so the oscillator is always there when you come back. Finally, if you haven't upgraded to TradingView Pro yet and you want more chart layouts, more indicators on a single chart, and overall better performance, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll unlock more tools to combine with the Ehlers Universal Oscillator and refine your trading analysis even further.